right? Let me see if I have any more questions here. I'll answer these questions as honestly as I possibly can, because I got to be honest, guys. I really didn't know what was going to happen when I said, okay, guys, I'm going to get a new job. I'm telling you, I was flying blind. I did not know. I mean, this market. The last time I went for another job was like 3 years ago, and everything has been changing so rapidly that I was like, damn, I don't know this time. I don't know if my old techniques will work. And what it taught me was that it has changed. Like there has been a few new tools that have popped up that I gotta say, are different. Like Use Massive was really effective. Some of the new stuff they're doing in LinkedIn. Okay, I got another question. Somebody said, I'm planning on Navy OCS. I believe that's Officer Training School. Is that like officer school? My end goal is IP officer. Any advice before going forward? Well, I don't know a lot about the Navy. I do know that there are some programs, and I believe OCS is one of those programs. But where you're gonna go into a degree program. Am I right? Is that right? You go into a degree program in OCS school, and the school lasts for as long as the degree lasts, like 6 years or whatever. And then after that, you're obligated to do like 7 years or 6-7 years in the Navy, something like that. If it's anything like Air Force, and Air Force had one called OTS, Officer Training School, and I think that what you're talking about is some kind of officers school. Any advice? I mean, I wasn't an officer, and I was a non-commissioned officer in the Air Force. Advice would be, once you become an officer, listen to your non-commissioned officers. Don't be an asshole. Like that's don't be an asshole. Good leaders listen to their people. Be a leader. Don't be just a manager. A leader leads from the front. They listen to their people. They use the brain trust of all their people, So that would be my advice. Like, those were my best officers, my best leaders were people who led from the front. They used they pulled together all the knowledge of everyone to come up with solutions together. And they weren't like, oh, I'm going to have all the best ideas. I'm the smartest person in the room. Those are terrible fucking leaders. Terrible leaders. They're terrible. They attract a cult of personality of people who like them because they want somebody who looks strong or whatever. They're terrible. I know, like, they're terrible leaders. They think that they're the smartest person in the room, and they don't consider that there's 10 other brains there that can all come together and come up with great ideas, and everybody has to do it as a team. Great leaders pull from everybody and get the greatest ideas from the team, and then they implement that. And a great leader, they're able to determine what are the best decisions to optimize your success. But that takes listening to people, and I would say I'd give people like, I know you guys are gonna hate me for this, but Elon Musk, I would give him some credit because the guy has an eye for great teams. I think that people give him credit for doing like Starlink and things like SpaceX and things like Tesla and stuff. But really, there's a great team behind the team of engineers that guy chooses are so incredible. Like, those guys, the stuff they're able to make, I'm just blown away by it, But people attribute all that success to him. I mean, his success is that he's good at choosing winners, I think. And I wouldn't say, I'm not saying he's a dumb guy or whatever in an engineering aspect. I don't think he's the wisest dude in the world, but the thing is, you have to be able to choose the best idea and then go forward with it, right? Now, that's not to say I agree with everything he fucking does and says, you know what I mean? But I think that he has a knack for making good decisions for companies. Let me see here.